Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be adding some yellow to my red hair to make orange. So I got my Eero neon yellow. I got some gloves. This is going to be a short video today because I'm literally just putting yellow on top of my hair. We're using Color Theory today. I'm just gonna, literally just gonna slap this into my hair and just let it sit. Whoa! Got some on my pant leg. Not even gonna use a mirror today. I've already messed it up and gotten it all over my natural hair. Yeah, I'm going orange for Halloween. But I don't feel like doing anything crazy to my hair right now, so I'm just adding color on top. This looks so weird right now. Let's hope this turns out good, because it was kind of a weird red. It's a little bit of a purpley red. So let's hope. Well, if anything, it'll just turn like a brownish red. Just bad. Not red, orange, brownish orange. Make sure I got it all. Oops, I did not. Got some in the middle. Just gonna use the whole bottle. Make sure I get everything. There's a train outside. Not literally outside. It's down the road. But I can hear it. I don't know if you can. Alright, I think I got everything. Just gonna let this sit for probably about half hour to an hour. Oh well. So yeah, I'm gonna just let it sit and I'll get back to you once it's washed out. So it looks like the roots ended up a little bit more yellow than orange, but we'll see what it looks like once it's dried. Because overall, I think it's going to be a nice color. See my cat in the corner here. He just broke into my room. But anyway, here's the finished color. The roots did end up a little bit lighter than I wanted, but it had kind of, the red had kind of faded from my roots for some reason. Probably because the ends are more porous. Either way, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I already got a compliment on it from a stranger at a grocery store. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.